Okay, welcome everyone. This particular class is for GS2 students. We're going to be looking at standard form, and I want us to take a look at these examples. I know standard form. We're talking about standard form. Now we are talking about questions in this form, whereby, for instance, 5 times 10 raised to the power 5 in bracket times 4.2 times 10 raised to the power 6. And what does that mean is that we are going to multiply these two values, and we are going to also multiply this value, but we are going to add the power. Remember, multiplication will change to addition, and the number two questions, division will change to subtraction. So we're going to take a look at multiplication and division examples. The next class, we're going to look at addition and subtraction example. So let's take number one for example. Number one says 5 times 10 raised to the power 5 in bracket times 4.2 times 10 raised to the power 6. Now all we need to do is we are going to multiply this 5 and this 4.2. That is 5 times 4.2 times 10 raised to the power 5. Remember I told us, or let me still put it, times 10 raised to the power 6. Meaning this multiply this and this multiply this. So from here, I'm going to have 5 times 4.2. That is 20. That is 21.2. 21 point. That is if you have to multiply 4.2. Look at it. 4.2 times 5. This is 0, carry 1. This times 21. So we have 5 times 4.2. We have 21.0. We have 21.0 times 10. Now the same base 10. So I just pick only one times 10 raised to the power 5 plus 6. Remember I told us that multiplication will change to addition at the base level, at the power level rather. So that is what we have. So from here now, I can say we have 21.0 times 10 raised to the power 5 plus 6 is what? 10 raised to the power 11. But I can't leave my answer like this because this has to go to almost one significant number. So I'm going to have this to go this way. So I'm going to have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power 1 times 10 raised to the power 11. Now, what does that mean is that I'm completing this to go back to, just to have one decimal place. So whereby I'm taking the decimal number to this side. So times 10 raised to the power 1 times this. So I'm going to have 2.1 times the same base, 10 is power 1 plus 11. So I'm going to have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power 12. That is the answer. Now, you will notice something here. Now, there's something I did here. Because it was 21, and this is where the decimal point. So I have to put the decimal point to come here and have only one digit before the decimal point. So, and it's because of this multiplication I did that I got 21.0. So I can't leave it like this. If not, the answer will be 21 points, which is not supposed to be. So our standard form must be in this form, one digit then the decimal point. So that is why I now have to reverse it to have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power 1. 10 raised to the power 1. So times 10 raised to the power 11. So 1 plus 11 up to 12. So you can see that's why we have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power 12. That's for number 1. Now let's look at number 2. Number 2 says 4.08 times 10 to the power minus 8. Now we are dividing it by 3 times 10 raised to the power 6. Now in this case, we are going to divide. Remember, when it was multiplication, what did we do? We multiply. Now, when it's division, we are going to divide. So I'm going to do 4.08 divide by what? 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. Now, division I told us we change to subtraction. Minus 6. Can you see? So let's divide this. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1, remainder 1 point. 3 in 10 is 3, remainder 1, 3 in 18 is 6. So we have 1.36 times 10 to the power minus 8 minus 6 is what? Minus 14. Can you see the answer? Now, this is my final answer. Why? Because it's already in one digit before the decimal point. So I can't reverse anything. So this one just stops here. And that is why you can see that -8 -6 give us -14. And you can see. So this is exactly how the multiplication and the division looks like. Now look at number 3. And this number 3 now, I also want to do this for me. Please, right there, please try this number 3 is multiplication. But remember, you're going to multiply this and this. Whatever you get, if it's having 2 digits before decimal point, then you have to reverse it to reduce it to 1 digit, then before you complete your answer. So please do the third one and leave your answer for me at the comment section. Thank you.